So notice here we have a system of linear equations and we're trying to find the best description of all the solutions. So keep in mind, as we always discuss in our Triple T math document, we say don't look at the answer options right away, they'll only confuse you. However, it can be useful to look at the answer format. And notice the answer format shows you, okay, these are technically ordered pairs for a couple of the options. And then there are these special cases where there's either infinitely many solutions or no solutions whatsoever. So it's helpful to quickly reference page 33, more specifically side 2 of our math reference document, where you can see that we have these 3 scenarios. So you could have one solution. If they just have different slopes, they're going to cross at some point. If instead they're parallel lines with different y-intercepts, then we know that there's going to be no solution because they never intersect, and a solution is a point of intersection. In this case, it looks like just one line, but the reason it's actually 2 lines is because they're the exact same line, same slope, same y-intercept, and as a result, they have infinitely many solutions or infinitely many points in common. So let's go ahead and graph these. Now keep in mind, you need to use x and y instead of p and t. So I'm going to go to the gear icon because I have a bunch of stuff from a previous question. I'll click delete all, and then I would recommend just kind of writing somewhere, okay, P is going to be, let's say, X, and then all the T's are going to be Y. So it's easy to kind of confuse that if we don't write it, especially if my Y's sometimes look like X. All right, and then let's go ahead and type these in. So 4x minus 2y equals 6, enter. And then we'll do the same thing with this bottom equation, just being careful with my variables. And notice you definitely have a solution. Here's the point of intersection. I can go here. Let's say I don't know what 1.5 is as a fraction, because I can see these are fractions. I can see that x, which was p, is 3 halves, and y, or t, is 0, making the correct answer A.